Good morning, class. This morning we are going to learn some new words for family members. Cool, eh? Are you ready? Let's start. Matua fifine means mother. Matua fifine, mother. Matua taane means father. Matua taane, father. Hoana means wife. Hoana, wife. Taane means husband. Taane, husband. Tungane means brother. Tungane, brother. Mahakitanga means sister. Mahakitanga, sister. Angikolo means uncle. Angikolo, uncle. Aniti means auntie. Aniti, auntie. Matua tupuna taani means grandfather. Matua tupuna taani, grandfather. Matua tupuna fifine means grandmother. Matua tupuna fifine, grandmother. Tama tupuna taani means grandson. Tama tupuna taani, grandson. Tama tupuna fifine means granddaughter. Tama tupuna fifine, granddaughter. Nisi means niece. Nisi, niece. Nephew means nephew. Nephew, nephew. Kasini means cousin. Kasini, cousin. Tamataani means son. Tamataani, son. Tamafifine means daughter. Tamafifine, daughter. Taumamatua means parents. Taumamatua, parents. Awesome, class. Great job. That's the bell. See you all tomorrow.